Determine the length of member AB, that is from A to B. That's the one we are after. Okay, so we want from A to B. We need the length AB of the, so determine the length of member AB of the truss by first establishing the Cartesian position vector from A to B, and then we do, okay. So first thing, we need to find the position vector A to B. Now, what I'm after is basically the X distance, and I'm also after the Y distance. Y component and the X component. Okay. So how I'm going to get this? Without going into the equation, everything, just use common sense, which clearly tells me that if I have got this D here, and I've got this angle here, which is given, knowing those two things, I can find this distance, and I can calculate, well, this distance already given, that's D. That is D, this is given. So by using those two components, I can get this component out, that is the X component. So now I know my X component, that's this one. I know this. So if I want to find the the X length, then it's basically, I will call this as J. So that would be C plus J. C is here and J is also already there. So that's from A to B, so that's in the positive X direction. So this component will be positive. Excuse me. Now let's look at the Y component, A, B, Y component. I'm after the Y component. So how I'm going to find Y? So I know A, that's given here. I know D, that's here. So I can easily do D minus A. That will give me my A, B, Y component. Now, I'm after position vector A to B. Now, if I look at it carefully, it's very clear that my Y component will be in the upward direction, so that will be in the positive Y. So my AB Y component is here and my X component is here. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
let's look at the solution now. So what it says here, let me get rid of all this first. I've already done it for you. So my R, basically RAB, I've got those two components given here, and then I've got the magnitude out.